getting to the end of the season for growing Brussels sprouts, especially here in Arizona. Temperatures are going to start to climb, and Brussels sprouts love cool weather. So if you haven't harvested your Brussels sprouts yet, here's a little tip to encourage the Brussels sprouts that are on the plant to get bigger and ready to harvest. So you can see I've got a couple Brussels sprouts here. This hasn't been a great year for Brussels sprouts, but I want to get a harvest from these guys. So I want to harvest, I want to top the plant basically. I'm going to direct the energy from growing taller instead to growing those Brussels sprouts nice and fat so we can enjoy them. So I'm going to cut off the flower, the floret on the top that has the growing tip, kind of like when you harvest broccoli, how it sends the energy out to those side shoots. That's what we're going to do here. So we're going to harvest off that floret, that little flower, and it's going to send the energy down into these Brussels sprouts and hopefully get them a little bit bigger in the next couple of weeks, so then we can harvest and enjoy them. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I've got some nice Brussels sprouts forming, but I want them to get bigger before I harvest them. So I'm going to take the top off, just kind of right in here above the tops of the Brussels sprouts. Take this floret off right above these Brussels sprouts here, and you can see those are forming. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks before temperatures get too hot, those Brussels sprouts will grow and develop and give me a little bit of a harvest of Brussels sprouts this year.